The world has changed. Virtual events are booming. This is a huge opportunity. Companies need help. They want to connect with their audience online. This is where you come in. Virtual event planners are in high demand. It's time to jump in. You can be a part of this exciting new world. Starting your own business is exciting. The first step is to find your niche. What kind of virtual events are you passionate about? Once you know your niche, you can develop your services. What will you offer to your clients? Think about the specific needs of your target market. Next, build your online presence. Create a website. Start social media accounts. This will help you attract clients. Virtual event planners need the right tools. These tools will help you plan and execute successful events. First, you need a reliable video conferencing platform. Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet are popular choices. Choose a platform that meets your needs and your clients' needs. Next, consider a project management tool. Tools like Asana, Trello, and Monday.com help you stay organized. They also make it easy to collaborate with your team. Finally, invest in a good event registration platform. Eventbrite, Splash, and Hopin are popular options. These platforms allow attendees to register and pay for your events. Engaging attendees is crucial for virtual events. You need to keep them interested. You need to make them feel connected. Start by creating interactive experiences. Use polls, Q&A sessions, and breakout rooms. These features encourage participation. Next, incorporate gamification. Use quizzes, challenges, and virtual badges. This makes the event more fun and engaging. Finally, don't forget about networking opportunities. Provide virtual spaces for attendees to connect. Encourage interaction and relationship building. Look at successful virtual events. They can inspire you. They can teach you valuable lessons. Study companies like Salesforce. They have mastered the art of virtual events. Their events are engaging and impactful. Another great example is TED. TED Talks are known for their high-quality content and global reach. Their virtual events are no different. These examples show what's possible. They prove the power of virtual events. Pricing your services can be tricky. You need to find the right balance. You want to be competitive, but you also want to be profitable. Consider your costs, factor in your time, your expertise, and your overhead. Then, research the market. See what other virtual event planners are charging. Offer different pricing tiers. This gives clients options and allows you to cater to different budgets. Remember, value is key. Communicate the value you bring to clients and explain how you can help them achieve their goals. Marketing is essential for any business. You need to get the word out and attract potential clients. Start by building a strong online presence. Create a professional website and use social media to connect with your target audience. Network with other professionals, attend industry events, and join online communities. Build relationships that can lead to referrals. Content marketing is also important. Create valuable content that showcases your expertise. Write blog posts, create videos, and share your knowledge with the world. The virtual event industry is constantly changing. New technologies emerge and trends evolve. Stay informed. Attend industry conferences and webinars. Subscribe to relevant publications and blogs. Join online communities of virtual event professionals. Never stop learning. Embrace new ideas and experiment with new tools. Stay ahead of the curve. This will make you a better event planner and keep you relevant and in demand. Quality service is paramount. It's the foundation of a successful business and what keeps clients coming back. Be responsive to your clients' needs. Anticipate their expectations and go the extra mile. Pay attention to detail and ensure every aspect of the event is executed flawlessly. Create a seamless and enjoyable experience for attendees. Remember, word of mouth is powerful. Happy clients will tell others about their positive experiences. This will lead to more business. Delivering exceptional service is the key to building a thriving virtual event planning business. Focus on your clients, provide value, and exceed expectations.